Welcome back to In the Hunt trailers for Walkthrough Wednesday. Today, we'll take Christophers POV and go through the 2025 Della Terra 251RD by east to west. This beautiful travel trailer features a rear living space with a large U-shaped booth for entertaining. This particular unit is sporting an interior design package which adds seamless Designer Countertops, 2-zone sound system with Bluetooth and HDMI, extra large booth window, upgraded Designer Linoleum Flooring, and more. Let's continue. Thanks for sticking around for another Walkthrough Wednesday. Let us know what you thought of the 251RD. And don't forget to subscribe so you get notified next Wednesday. We'll see you in the next one.